looks like a good boy. Hey, you know, do you think with the whole surge in the Omicron that it's time for a mandate of vaccination on airlines?
Oh gosh, I have enough on my plate. I'm hardly the one to answer, except I wish everyone would get vaccinated so it's not a certain endemic, but who am I? I'm just trying to get by my head.
There's just a big push right now. You know, a lot of people saying that.
Yeah, it's fine. Sure, it is. It's fine. I believe let's all get your vaccine. And if you get your vaccine, my son was having this. I just want us all safe and healthy and moving forward. Scout
Are you traveling by plane much?
No, not right now.
Are you worried about it because of the COVID?
What's going on, guys? It's Ryan Fu. If you guys enjoyed that video, please smash that like button and also hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you guys can be up to date with all our videos. So once again, smash that like button and hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button, and check you guys out later and keep on shocking them, bros.